Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find quick start guide for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and then click on your earbuds here. Then click at this headphones icon at the top. And here it is. We have quick start guide. So we need to tap on it also and it open it for us. And right here you can find some information for you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.